Reddit story, this guy falsely asserted ownership of my car just to flirt with a girl. I took my car to the mall for shopping. Later, I saw a local guy flirting with a girl in the parking lot, claiming it's his car. I heard him saying, "See here, the sticker says his surname." Coincidentally, we had the same surname. So, I barged into his conversation and said, "Hey, I always wanted to buy this car. Would you mind if I experience sitting inside this car?" He replied, "I'm short on time, I'll waste my time on guys like you some other day." It's fine, totally expected, but what surprised me was that the girl was actually entertaining his obvious lies. I simply said, "Okay. My bad," and then I unlocked the car, played the song on high volume, and drove it right in front of both of them. The gratifyingly embarrassed expression on his face brought me immense satisfaction.